welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a unboxing, I guess, or opening a package. This is one of my first subscriptions, my second one. I saw a subscription for perfumes and I was like, you know what, I had never actually thought about that, getting a subscription for perfumes. I've always been that girl that goes to Bath and Body Works and gets body sprays and lotions, which I love. My favorite one is Endless Weekend. I have the lotion and the spray, but they're not long lasting. It does kind of faint, over the day. But I was like, you know what, I've never really, I don't have a perfume collection. I don't really have a ton of that kind of stuff. So I thought, it'd be cool to try a subscription for perfumes. I did look into Scentbird before choosing Scentbox, and with Scentbird, every time I would look at their Instagram and their posts, there was a lot of negative. Hold on, there's an airplane. Okay, I saw so many negative comments on everything. Like, I saw videos on YouTube that I was calling them a scam. I saw comments on their page that just didn't make them look good. And even at some point, I think that they blocked off their comments. So you couldn't reach out, they couldn't reach out to you. It was, I don't know. So I was kind of looking into signing up with them for a while, but at some point, I was like, no, it was just a negative thing after negative, and I didn't want to go through with it. And then I started to see, well, I think I saw it maybe once or twice compared to Scentbird showing like 100 ads a day. But I think I saw like once or twice an ad for Scentbox, and it looked a little more honest than Scentbird. So, I was like, hey, maybe I should look into them. I went to their page. What I like about them compared to I think Scentbird, you can't choose the scents. If I'm correct, you can correct me if I'm wrong. I didn't really get to that point of choosing the items that I was going to get because I didn't subscribe to them. But with Scentbox, you get to choose. Well, I think we'll see if I get what I chose for this month. But it does give you the option to choose what you're going to get every month. And yeah, so I'm super excited about that. If you have any experiences with Scentbox or Scentbird, you can let me know down below. But yeah, so let's open it. I'm so excited. I have my handy dandy knife. I'm going to cut myself. Okay. I saw one girl open it, and oh my gosh, the packaging was so cute. And yeah, it's the same one that she got. I think they all come like that in this little box. Isn't that cute? Okay. Oh, I just cut it. Oh, I cut it. Ooh, wait. Okay. So it came with this little thingy. It says free exchanges. 1 free exchange shipment per month. I guess if you don't like it, you can exchange it. I'm so upset that I cut it. Okay, and the next one, oh my gosh, the color. Okay, there's another coupon. It says save big on a full-size bottle value up to 15% off. Use code THANKS15. Cute. And then this is the perfume. The color. Sorry, you guys, my nails are not so cute, but you see it? Okay, I'm going to take this out. Ooh, it sounds like it has a lot. How do you do this? Okay. You twist it. Oh. So you twist it and the top comes out. I remember seeing someone that you can take it out. Seeing someone saying that you can take it out. Oh yeah, you can! How cool. So that's how you know how much is in there. So you could take out the tube and see for yourself. Awesome. Okay. So I chose... Oh, and the thing is, it doesn't say... Oh, it does say it. Okay, I like this already. So it does tell you down here, I didn't even notice. It says what perfume you chose. And I chose the Prada Candy. Okay, ready? I'm going to do it on my wrist first. Alright, little spray bottle. Oh, there you go. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So good. It smells good. It smells like candy. Candy. The spray, I don't know if you could see it, but it doesn't spray too much. Maybe you can see it. Do you see that? It's like not like shooting at you. Like it kind of spreads it evenly, which I freaking love that because I hate it when it just splatters all over you.
That's what she said.
I love it. I wasn't sure if I was going to... I'm telling you, sometimes... I don't know why when I think about perfumes, I think about my grandma's perfume. I don't know. It's just a thing, you know. I smelled... my mom has a Daisy Marc Jacobs perfume, and I don't know. I wasn't that into it. I felt like it was, you know, more for elder people, and I want to feel, like, flowery, kind of young, you know. No, I really like it. And I freaking... love the packaging. This is my sister's, well, I think it's close to her favorite color. I was like, where's the cap? And I forgot you have to push this. Right? Wait. Oh, like this. Like this. And you can, like, carry it anywhere. In your purse, in your little backpack. You know, spray yourself a little bit. Oh, let me check what I got for next month. Okay, the next one I chose is the Jimmy Choo Blossom. I've never smelled it before. So if you guys have the Blossom Jimmy Choo perfume and you like it or you don't like it, please tell me so I could change it to something else. If there's the perfume that you guys liked and you like highly recommend, let me know because I can choose from a lot of them. On their website, it says $9.72 for your first month, and then it's $14.95 for the rest. So I think that you have to pay I think it's $20 a month for designer brands, because I think the one that's $9.72 for the first month and then $14.95 every month. I think they have a limited amount of perfumes that you can choose from, and then if you just pay $5 more, you get a huge range of designer brands that you can choose from. So that's super exciting. So I would definitely recommend you guys choosing Scentbox. I mean, the packaging just sold me. Like, this is so cute, and I think that they do come in different colors every month, so it would be so exciting to just, you know, kind of collect them and then carry, you know, one in your purse, have some, you know, at home, and then they're kind of just decorative. So that's basically my take on the Scentbox subscription. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Hit the like button if you liked my review, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll catch you guys. I don't say that.